Alright, what's up everybody? Hope you guys are all doing well. It's a little bit of a different. Hey Muller, wait up, son! Good girl. Oh, it's cold! So, what's up everybody? Hope you guys are all doing well. Me and Butler are going, he's going fishing. He was gonna film, but I forgot the freaking mount. So yeah, Butler's straight up leaving me. But yeah, hope you guys enjoy this video. It's gonna be a very different one. You ain't gonna catch nothing out here. Alright. Watch out, I'm right behind you.
Uneven.
Oh, that could be
That's what you're doing wrong. Put it in the middle part. There ain't nothing on him except for a hook. That's a steep hill. Yeah, that's a good hill climb.
There ain't no way you can hill climb that. Oh, man, that sucker's got some legs. Look at him, he's doing like a, oh, here you go.
It's too cold.
Yeah, for real.
I don't understand how they're even moving. Cool.
I need to get me one like that. Yeah.
Each one you have to have a on the bottom of it. You just pull it.
Or the one with the like little pedal right here.
Yeah.
Yeah, like the pedal motor. That would be nice.
You can pull it.
That's what Grant's got. He's got one that has like little. I can't hear a word he's saying. Oh. Howdy. Finally caught back up. There's a dog.
You wanna come in?
What?
Dog barking.
So, let him bark at us. They start shooting at us. What? Roar! 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 Woohoo! Woohoo! That's true. The pelican don't do nothing. There ain't no way we get all the way up there.
Yeah.
They're probably just burned. So.
God damn, that was pretty hard to turn around.
You see, that's the dam right there.
Oh yeah. Damn, we don't even... I ain't gonna do shit. You're just gonna poke a hole in your damn kayak and be fucked.
I'm doing yours.
Fuck no.
Hey, boa. The bow. Or whatever they call this thing.
Bow.
Oh, man. Oh, I just sat in the water. Oh, it's all cold. Look out here.
The water's cold, but he ain't been flying.
That's true. Dun, 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 dun. Bruh! Bruh! Dude! We're almost here! My butt's wet. And I'm kind of cold. Huh. I'll see you boys on the next one. Peace.